Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about Canvas product, which we have introduces in version 7.2. The printing of such products is done on the canvas and the edges are customized to create a frame. It provides a more versatile approach when decorating. And it's easy for customer to decorate. First we see how it looks like at website and then how to set it up in admin. And it's an add-on module. Here is the first look of Canvas product. The frame is easily visible. One can upload his file. Then there are multiple options for framing, like border thickness, edge designs. You can opt for folding of uploaded image, mirrored image as edge design, black and white edges. Then you can set image effects, like normal, black and white, and shaded. After that you can set frame type, which can be normal, colored and premium. Now we will see how to set this product in admin. This product need to be added as we are adding normal products. The product type need to be selected as canvas, all other things remain same as normal product. The pricing structure is same as normal products. Need to add all additional options for framing, and we have created inbuilt additional option for all frame setting, which need to be binded with your created additional option to show it at front end under Canvas tab. Your created additional option. Inbuilt additional option which we termed as events. Here we are binding border thickness of 1 inch as 72 pixels, if you want to put any other pixel size you can text in. In same way you need to bind all additional option respectively, if you will not bind it the effect will not be visible at front end. Thank you. If you have any queries please contact us at support@onprintshop.com.